New K12D engine. The updated K12D 1 and 2-liter engine powering the new Ignis features a new dual injection system and offers both powerful response and high fuel efficiency. This high-level balance is made possible through advances that include an electric intake variable valve timing, a variable displacement oil pump and electric piston cooling jets. Maximum power output is 83 HP with a torque figure of 107 Nm at just 2,800 revolutions per minute. Fuel efficiency is further enhanced when paired with the self-charging hybrid system powered by a new lithium-ion battery with capacity upgraded from 3 Ah to 10 Ah to improve energy recovery efficiency. Available as standard equipment for all Ignis models, the upgraded 12-volt hybrid system is a compact and lightweight unit that incorporates an integrated starter generator, known as ISG, which acts as both a generator and starter motor. The ISG is belt-driven and assists the engine during vehicle takeoff and acceleration and also generates electricity through regenerative braking. The ISG unit has a power output of 2.3 kilowatts with a torque figure of 50 Nm, and the components of the system add just 6.2 kilograms to the overall weight of the car. Suzuki CVT powertrain is available as an option on the facelifted Ignis with 2WD, and is combined with the 1 and 2 Dualjet Hybrid powertrain. The CVT system can vary the actual gear ratio continuously and stepless from low speed to high speed range depending on the driving conditions. The CVT allows improved drivability with reduced shift shock in comparison with a conventional automatic transmission.